Today I'm reciting City Strips and Country Roads by Eleanor Fajon. Before reciting, we will know about the poet. Eleanor Fajon was an English author of children's stories and plays, poetry, biography, etc. She won many awards for her literary work. Born February 13, 1881. London, United Kingdom. Died June 5, 1965, London, United Kingdom. The city has streets, but the country has roads. In the country, one meets blue carts with their loads of sweet-smelling hay and mangolds and grain. Oh, take me away to the country again. In the city, one sees big trams rattle by that blot out the sky, and all down the pavements stiff lampposts one sees. But the country has hedgerows. The country has trees as sweet as the sun. In the country is rain. Oh, take me away to the country again. Thank you all for listening my poem. If you like my reciting, give a like, share, and subscribe our channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.